Preparing meals.
Tom and his mother are in the kitchen. They want to prepare ojja. His mother says, "Wash your hands." Tom washes his hands. Then she says, "Take a frying pan and add oil." Tom puts the pan on the stove. Next, she says, "Cut the onion and garlic." Tom cuts them and puts them in the pan. They fry them for a few minutes. Then his mother says, "Add the sausages." Tom cuts the sausages and mixes everything with a spoon. After that, she adds tomatoes, salt, pepper, and harissa. The food smells good. She says, "Break the eggs." Tom breaks the eggs into the pan. They cook for 5 minutes. Finally, they serve the ojja with bread and eat together.